Yeah, this time I'm putting together a new kit that my brother bought me. It's the 76170. I'm going to put together the first part here in this first video. I'll put the other parts together in the other videos. But anyhow, 76170 Avengers. And the first thing you do is put together Ironman, but I've already put him together. And he's got a little stand he stands on. Usually I don't have the characters, but like I said, my brother bought this for me. And so I have the characters. Yay! There's Iron Man on his piece of ice. Or blast, or whatever it is. Can't see because the sun is right behind my camera. Should give you more light in here then. And I get to see some new pieces that I have never seen before. Starting off with this big hunking piece. Neat. Alright then, you have a this looks a little confusing, but it's not. Again, I can't see because of the sun. You have another red block. Then you have a console. The black console. Did I drop it? Oh, there it is. Has a sticker on it already. Take one of these just to show you what it is. It's triangular pieces. I'm getting trouble seeing. Alright. You have another one of those red blocks, number 4. It's right there. And two-way blocks. And these I haven't seen before either. Got that little whole thing in them. Those are cool, but hopefully you cannot hear my son's music. He plays it loud. Alright. Two of those. Excuse me. can see where I'm at here in the video. Okay. 2 clear blue cubes. Transparent, I'd say clear. My brother has a cat. I'm allergic to cats. And unfortunately I'm getting it from just the Legos that he put together. And it is symmetrical. You can look that word up if you don't know what it is on both sides here. So it's kind of nice. You have these. Got 2 of these. Go. And called home plates, but they're not. There it is. Drop a piece. I must have dropped a piece. All right, I'll go looking for it. Shoot. Didn't have to go looking for it. It's on the bottom of here. There it is. Alright. That one goes right there. And then you have this piece, the hood. Looks like it's from a car. A truck. Alright. Show me on screen, okay. There's brick. 2 more of these little blue ones. when that's a 6. Yeah, 6 and 8. All right, then 2 of these. These grills. Then on the back you have this one right there. Then you have one of these. On the top here you have this one. There's a little color distinction there. Then we get to add 2 fins. Looking pretty cool. Then we have 2 of these. It shows that this one, and they are unique here, it goes on the outside here, so you can go like that. And the other one goes over here. And again, you can put them on backwards accidentally. There you are. Then you have again clear blues right there. That one right there. And you have the windshield. Now I haven't seen a windshield like that. It's alright. I'll have to. Oh. And then you have these little spinner things that you put in here, and then they shoot out. Snap them in. That's what those bricks are for. It's pretty cool. And then you push them. And they shoot. Nice. Hope you got that. Alright. Then what you do, shows little Ironman inside driving. But if he's out here like this, he can't be driving. So you take him off of his stand and you put him down in there, and then Ironman is driving the iron flying vehicle. That, which I actually like a little bit better. So there you go. Catch you on the next one where we talk about the other pieces.